I need. Could you give me that chair, please?
Yes, sir. This one?
Yeah, this one right here. I was trying to sit in this. We went to college for the past, what, 2 years now? Get that.
Stop the clock.
Got it.
Right.
Good. One second.
Outside! On the outside, go! Ready.
42, 43.
Ooh, there you go. Ooh, get up, go. That's Keon.
Foul block.
Oh shit, that's Keon ass.
They just brought it back to the 30 due to a penalty. Number 76, illegal block.
Number 22 is Keon Cummins. In the backfield. I don't know who the quarterback is. You going?
Good tackle. Clock still running. Second down. Looks like it's the first quarter. 13 minutes left. They're coming out the same bunch formation. Good tackle. By the Hurricanes, number 17, Giant Burton.
Let's see. No, they're gonna try to get it off.
So,
3rd and about 4. Get the snap off. Number 23 runs on the right side and tackled.
caught by number 23, Jose Lager.
Here go the Chargers on 4th and 1. From the Hurricanes 20.
Same old bunch formation. Timeout.
Timeout on the field.
Timeout
Chargers, all right.
If I'm not mistaken.
What's that?
Y'all played them this year, if I'm not mistaken, the Highlanders. Great football team.
I haven't played.
Personally, the Chargers.
Personally.
What you know about the Chargers?
It's Chargers.
Seemed like it was a great game. Great sportsmanship from both teams. And here we are, 4th and short.
Here we got to go back to this game. Big 4th down coming up. Hurricanes looking to get the stop. Sweep to the left.
Go.
And it looks like first down and more.
Touchdown. Stop the clock. I guess that touchdown didn't count. Stopped short of the goal line. He looked like he was in from up here, but we're not that
Must have
in.
went out of bounds over there. Looks like first and goal to the big.
Whoa, big stop. Look at that defensive stop.
Jeremy.
Good pressure up the middle by the Hurricanes defensive.
I don't know why I said run it.
So I guess it was a touchdown. The officials kept the clock rolling on the extra point attempt, or point after attempt. But the conversion was no good.
What did he say?
He said something about scoop. Great kick. Run the clock. Here we go. He stumbles. He's tackled by 2 targets.
Stop the clock. That's incomplete.
Incomplete pass. All season. It's just when it
Here we go,
comes down to
2nd and 10. Quarterback out of the shotgun, 2 right, 2 left, drops back. Pressure from the backside.
He's down.
He's down.
Clock still going.
Yep.
Third and 11 looks to be.
Third and long 11.
That was my fault.
Try that.
Rolls to the right. Pressure.
Sacked.
Fourth down. Punting the football.
It's blocked.
Ooh.
Split block. Stop the clock. Clock should be 30 seconds if I'm not mistaken.
Jeez, man. Yeah. Here we go. We got second down. Correction, first down. First possession was successful for the Chargers. Let's start their second possession in great field position. Swing to the right.
Great talking. Good talking about the Hurricanes.
Second and about 2 for the Chargers.
Reverse. There you go. Great tackle.
Good stop by the defensive Hurricane. Third and about 7.
With 6:20 left on the clock. The toss. Ooh, what a stop!
Look at that defense.
Number 0.
Great stop.
Marcus Coleman. $5:20 left on the clock in the first quarter.
Fourth and long. Probably close to 17. Quarterback rolls right. He throws.
Wide
Coleman
open.
got him.
And it's caught. Touchdown. Chargers.
Go get it! Go get it! Go get it!
Snap is back. Ball is down. Kick is up and
It's
blocked.
blocked.
Caught by the offense. And the Hurricanes cover it up.
Fumble, the refs ruled it down.
Well, that could have been interesting.
Wait, some 50 seconds left. You want this? Quite a long drive.
Here's the kickoff.
Susan catches going
Out of bounds, looks like.
Hurricanes first and 10.
Let's go!
Good catch by number 0. Jamarcus Coleman slides up for about 6 yards. Even though the EAFL runs off college rules. So.
Quarterback takes a snap, rolls out left. He's looking, he throws it deep. One incomplete. Had a chance at that ball. We got fourth down. Run the clock. They're run the clock. Run the clock.
Was it not incomplete?
Yeah, it should have been. I don't know what they're doing. They just wound it though. Here goes number 3. And it goes nowhere.
McKenzie goes nowhere fast. That is fourth down.
Turnover run.
Sometimes
All white like I move things. Niggas see me rolling in they new chains. Like a motherfucker. New floor, got it pressing up. I don't trust you, you want like a couple. I can probably take some steps, this is for each other. Talking for ladies,
He may be okay. He's going to miss a little bit.
but you gotta love it.
First and 10 Chargers. They get the football and turn over on downs. They'll be at the Hurricanes 44.
Oh,
Got him.
got
Flag before the play. First and 5 Chargers.
Oh,
Oh, he moved. Flag
False
before the
start.
play. Looks like a false
Chargers.
start.
number 3.
Back him up 5. Back to now first and 10 for the Chargers. The Hurricanes 45. Quarterback takes a snap, runs right, trying to break some tackles. Oh, he spins back, and the Hurricanes are there, and they make the stop. Minutes of the half.
Yeah, they just run.
It just mostly runs, even if it's out of bounds.
Interesting.
Here we go. It's second and about 13. Quarterback takes the snap, dodging, trying to get up the middle, spins back out, stays on his feet.
He's dragged down by number
Dragged
0,
down. Pick
Jamarcus
up.
Coleman. And Jamarcus Coleman is now.
Pick up of about 3.
He's going to have to put some ice on that one.
It's third and 10 Chargers from the Hurricanes 45. Quarterback takes the snap, rolling left. He's looking long. He's got a man. Incomplete.
That ball foul, maybe?
It's 4th down and 10. So they're going to stick with the original incompletion. 4th down and 10. Chargers. One receiver left. Quarterback takes the snap, rolls left.
There it is in that
Looking
flat
long.
again.
There he goes. Looks for number 40 again and incomplete.
49 seconds left in the first quarter. Turn on the 45.
Hurricanes from their own 45.
Timeout.
Timeout blue. Timeout blue.
St.
So
Pete
there's
Chargers. Timeout.
timeout.
I mean, this is Adrian's second game.
There go the Canes. 2 receivers left, 1 right. 1 man in the back. Oh, correction. 2 right, 2 left. Quarterback out of the shotgun. Takes the snap, fumble on the play.
Second down.
Offense recovers. Ooh, that could have been dangerous.
That is a dangerous play, bro. They got to be able to connect on both sides of the ball. Center and QB have to get there. 6 seconds left.
Second and about 12 for the Hurricanes. On their own 48.
That's half.
End of the quarter.
So, end of the first quarter. Down 12-0.
We flipped end zones. Here we are. First play of the second quarter. Hurricanes with the football. Second and about a long 12, actually, close to 13. Tell her not to say nothing naughty. You're live streaming.
Please, nothing naughty.
Nothing naughty. Low snap. Ball goes back. Quarterback looks to cover it.
And it's recovered. Running clock. And the refs are not going to blow the whistle. The quarterback obviously had it.
St. Pete got it.
St. Pete has the ball. Wow. Stoppage are pulling on.
Chargers break the huddle following the turnover.
First and 10 on the 26.
Quarterback takes the snap, runs to the right side of the line.
Shut down completely.
Nothing.
Number 77 there, Nicholas Smith.
The game action. Quarterback takes the snap, runs right, dodges some tackles, spins, looking good
Breaks the tackle
forward.
off number 7.
Picks up several yards there. Is it enough for the first down? That's going to be a Hurricane first down.
Another run here.
Run to the right side.
And it looks like a play
Clock.
I think that's big enough to have in here. Watch it if you use it.
Hope nobody gets injured. There's no covers around the bottom of the goalposts. Quarterback runs to the left.
It gets
Runs into his
shut
own
down.
player. Canes break the huddle. Sticks say it's third down.
That's what the Chargers do here. Third and short.
Oh,
About the snap. But he still gets the first down and a lot more.
He's in! Touchdown!
Touchdown Chargers. Still go either way at this point. It's a 4-quarter game? 4-quarter game.
Chargers will attempt a 2-point conversion.
Watch him right out. He calls this again. We're going to have to talk with him at halftime.
Watch the quarterback draw here. Oh, he
And
drops. Goes to
complete
the right.
quarterback draw at the Wildcat. And 3 is in there.
It's good.
So that's 2 more points. 3 to get. I know East Coast Warriors had like a Hello Kitty towel on theirs.
Here's the kickoff.
Great kick. Caught by number 15, Key. He takes a nice hit. But he's done. Outmanned, outgunned. You have to put pressure on this defense. Make the DBs work for it right now. Seems to be a timeout. It didn't work. I pressed it.
All right.
It's running. It's not supposed to run off of that. See? He's rushed.
Incomplete. The officials are not being very clear. Quarterback takes the snap, moves to the right, throws. Oh! Incomplete. Intercepted.
Go, 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 go!
Six. I thought it was down. I'll give him a 20 seconds.
Chargers will attempt a 2-point conversion, already up 26-0.
And here we go.
Run to the right,
And he's in.
breaks tackles.
28. First half. Play. Come on.
Here we go, the Chargers.
Here comes the breakdown of being tired and outmanned and outgunned.
Let's see if the Canes go to their bench here, get some guys some snaps.
Why are they so deep? Are they supposed to be up a little bit? Wait until somebody catches this. A lot of people
Go
sure.
to look for streams.
See, this one is just on our page for now.
Oh, gotcha.
I think we can share it to the page after it's over. So at halftime, I'll probably cut it back on in the ELFH hat.
Here go the Canes, 1st and 10 from their own 36.
Down 28-0. First down and 10.
Quarterback takes the snap, rolls right, looks, he's throwing deep. Incomplete.
Right, this thing is kind of sticky.
Here we go. It's 2nd down for the Canes.
Another low snap.
Looking left, throws.
Oh,
Ooh, a little high.
Here we go, third down to 10.
Got him. Free play. Oh, didn't snap the ball, but it looks like it's going to be on the defense.
I thought he snapped it. Got him again.
Start. Looks like he might be
False
going back
start.
again.
We're backing up 5 yards now for the Canes.
They're trading penalties. Quarterback takes the snap. Oh, he's stuffed.
Hold on.
No time to throw the football.
Completely stuffed. Alright, looks like we're going back up in the field now. Quick 30-second timeout.
Following the timeout.
We have 4th and a mile. Seems to be 4th and 13.
It'll be 4th and about 15 here for the Canes. Chargers got a deep safety. Quarterback throws to the right. Oh, nearly had it. Again, shaken up. Flag on the play.
15-yard penalty. Looks like
It's going to be, looks like it's going to go against the Chargers. It's going to be hitting him in the back. He's shaking up.
badly. Again, looks like injuries are going to play with us. Especially when they have a back play as a skills player.
You guys got a massage therapist? Look at that.
That's just his girl.
That's his girl?
Yeah.
Man.
You know, he's a man in love.
No canoodling on the sideline.
I don't think it's legal, but
No,
it's not recommended.
I don't remember that rule anywhere about no canoodling rule.
Let's see if the ref is going to run the clock here. So was that a 15-yard penalty? First down, now currently on the 50-yard line, maybe at best.
Should be a turnover on down, right?
No, with the 15-yard.
Oh, they added the penalty.
Yeah. With that massive penalty, it goes straight to first down. You got to look at the rule books for this one.
Here we go. It'll be Charger football from midfield.
Wait a minute. They are not set right. They are not set right. Chain crew, chain crew. Hey, yo, ref! Chain crew! Ref!
Chain crew! Are they moving?
They have not moved yet. Oh, you can already know what they're running here. They might be handed it straight to big boy.
What's going on here with the sticks?
No idea. Okay, looks like they're moving, changing
It
balls.
looks like it's still going to be Charger football, or correction, Canes football. I'm so confused up here.
I'm confused myself. So it looks like it is Chargers football, 1st and 10. Despite the 15-yard penalty, they may get
Canes
off.
finally moved in the correct position.
Still 28-0.
You know, it goes back though. You know what the old saying is, right?
That's the whole saying.
Big guys can't, they're linemen because they can't catch.
I mean,
Can't catch that snap.
I mean, there are some linemen that can catch. They have a great potential to run the ball if given the great opportunity to. See, he had a great opportunity.
Lineman's talent is just being massive.
It's not all, not necessarily. Because to be a lineman, you have to be great.
Hands.
You have to have great hands. You have to be agile as a lineman, specifically. You can still have you can have the best lineman go back there and be the best.
I'd expect that
star.
answer from a lineman.
I mean, mean, I am pretty great. I am pretty great. But running the ball, that's just not my forte all around.
Here we go. Canes get
First down and 10 on the 41. Here we go. Canes appear to be in an I formation with Twins to the left side of the field.
got this blind side here. Look at that. The defense had it.
Number 3, Eldon McKenzie, a nice toss play.
Picked up a couple on that play. Canes break the huddle. Slow to the line of scrimmage.
Taking their time.
They got to conserve their energy today. They're very light on their sideline today.
Great discipline.
Look at that.
And a great
Drop
run
play.
by Eldon McKenzie. Minutes and 25 seconds left.
And moving. Here we go. It's third down for the Canes.
When they hand it off to the fullback, number 7.
Look at that. He's
He runs it
pushing.
first down and more.
Great push. Great play. First down, Canes.
And it looks to be running again with Eldon McKenzie this time in the fullback position. He stopped after a 1-yard gain. From what I remember, it was 27-2 at one point.
Quarterback
Quarterback
goes to the
keeper.
left.
And he's dropped after a multiple-yard loss. So we're back 2 yards deep. Third down and 10 for the Canes.
Got great field position. They just got to keep on moving. They don't need all 10 on one play. They can actually get 5 and 5 on fourth down. So it's obviously 4-down territory.
Again, coming out in the power I formation.
Quarterback takes a step, hand
Gives
out to
it to
number 7.
7.
Picks up a couple.
Picks up a solid 2 yards. This is a successful pass, truly, this game. So you got to show me what you got. So far, so good. This will be designed to open up as they come out with Twins.
Quarterback takes the snap, looks left, he throws deep.
And it's picked.
Collision in the end
it is
zone.
picked.
It's picked. Wow, it could have been anybody's ball there. It's far, far away.
I can tell you that much. Shrek wouldn't even be pleased with being put there in this position. Huh?
5-3-0.
5-3-0. How the fuck is it 5-3-0?
Set clock. 5-3-0.
How the fuck is it 5-3-0 left? It was 6 minutes. He called a pick. With the refs running it?
Here we go. It's 1st and 10 for the Chargers, deep in their own territory.
Watching White Hat still. 22 appears to be in the game. Here we go, and 22 cuts outside. Does a spin move, and he looks like he's gone. And he's caught, dragged down by number 6, Taki Schultz.
Here we go. Chargers first down from their own 43.
Number 22 back in the backfield again. Snaps.
Quarterback takes the snap, fakes right, goes left. He's got a hole.
And he's tackled by number 3, Eldon McKenzie.
Here we go.
Pretty sure the Chargers have like 2 timeouts left. Canes have 0.
Tight formation. Looks like it's going to be a quarterback draw again. Stoppage again.
Timeout blue.
2nd and about 5 for the Chargers. Tight formation. Single receiver right. Watch the draw.
Ooh, false start on both sides.
The
Not
refs
sure they're
didn't
gonna
call
call it.
anything, but they eventually blow it dead. Flag before the play.
I think it was on the it's on the defense.
On the defense.
For the Chargers.
He goes 1st and 10 Chargers. Quarterback takes a snap, fakes left, runs right, got some room.
And he meets
Collision.
Ooh, what a nice hit there. Looks like he meets number 15 straight in the hole.
Second and about 7 for the Chargers. Quarterback takes the snap, rolls right, running.
He's
got some
outside,
room.
and he's
Puts his
met.
head down, and great defensive tackle there.
Stop the clock.
Yeah, stop the clock. Some extracurriculars going on that sideline.
I'm not sure who let him in the hole. I think it was number 15. Time to run the clock here.
Here we go. It's going to be 3rd down, Chargers. Back going here. You got 2:13 and counting first half. Coming up on that 2-minute warning. Four seconds. 3. Ready to stop the clock. Stop the clock. Right back to action following the 2-minute warning. Right receiver left. Quarterback takes a snap. It's going to be a
Taki
handoff
Schultz
left
is back
side.
there, making a stop.
Good defensive pressure there. At a time, one series at a time. Look to build. And here we go. Back to game action.
You gotta watch number 40 on the flats again. From number 6.
It's 4th down. Handoff. Fake
Right,
handoff.
fake handoff.
Runs to the right. He's got some room.
And he's pushed out of bounds by
Let's
number
see
4.
where they went out of bounds. Stop the clock. Stop the clock.
With number 0 being their quarterback right now. Delay of game looks like.
Back him up. Chargers break the huddle. Got a receiver way wide left.
They could still try to run another play-action play here.
Get ready to. They're going to look to the left here, spread that field out. They're going to actually probably go right. It's open. Quarterback rolls right. He looks. He's got time. Comes back to the left. Kind of steps up in the pocket. He's got some room. And what kind of toss was that? Oh my! Underhand toss to number 40. There he goes. 3-2-1. Touchdown.
That was past down.
So the sticks say that it's
2nd and 15.
another stoppage.
Looks to be 22 back in the backfield. You know what they like to do with 22 coming out the backfield. This is another QB keeper here.
So that's 2nd and 20.
Oh, another stoppage of play.
Flag. Delay game again.
I like college rules right now.
Here we go. It's 2nd and very, very long for the Chargers.
2nd and out of mind.
Quarterback takes a snap, fakes left, goes right. He's got some
Cuts it
room.
back up.
Thump. No,
Nope,
he's still got it. He's still up.
And he's dragged down by number 56. Two flags on sportsmanlike conduct.
Some extracurriculars.
You want to stop the clock here?
See who's going to get that penalty.
It looks to be 56, maybe 6 over there. I've seen a lot of people in that pile all the time. It's just not a good sign. This type of behavior on the football field is not going. See the cats all have some type of command.
So following the penalty, looks like the clock's going to get wound down. Nope. 3 seconds, 2 seconds, 1 second. Nope. Oh, they're going to give it to him. Flag on the play. Quarterback's got time. Throws end zone.
Touchdown.
Touchdown. They have an untimed down here to end the first half. Chargers. I still don't understand.
Go.
They're getting an untimed down. I'm very confused up here.
Hurry up on the field. Well, we knew somebody's getting a
Timeout. That's a penalty. They get an untimed down.
Well, it was an offense, but
Then the half's over.
I mean, look, they got backed up. They didn't score the touchdown that we initially thought.
Yeah, so then they don't get that extra time.
So
then.
this should be off.
I'm even more confused.
Yeah, see, the refs.
Chargers, no time left here, first half.
The refs so far have been confused with this entire game.
But this is basic. Quarterback takes the snap, drops back, pumps up, steps up.
Where's my edges? He's running.
Going left, he spins around. Got a lot of time. Trying to get open, he takes off.
You got it. Touchdown. St. Pete Chargers.
Is he in?
Is he in? Let me see the front. He's down at the 1.
Oh, stop made by the Canes.
What a stop by the Canes.
It's going to be tough. 1 second and a half. Hi everybody, Steve Carosi here with the Highlander Huddle. Halftime here in St. Pete is the Chargers 28, Hurricanes 0. It's been all Chargers first half. They've moved the ball, they've scored, but there's been a lot of stoppages in play, which has slowed this game down tremendously. A couple big bright spots for the Canes though in the first half, some defensive stops, and they had a couple series where they ran the ball effectively. Big deal is the offensive line's gotta give the quarterback time for the Hurricanes. Chargers, they gotta keep moving. They can score, they can run the ball, they're very deep on the sideline. So looks like it's gonna be more of the same in the second half. Let's see if the Canes can put some things together to build moving forward. I'm Steve Carosi with the Highlander Huddle.
I'm gonna go live with 9 players on the field. Brought back by number 1. Still running forward.
The Canes ran that kick return with only, 9 guys, I believe.
Yeah, only 9 guys were on the field at the time.
Here we go, 1st and 10. Canes, let's see if they can start building here in the second half. Flag before the play.
Looks to be a
Legal substitution against the defense, so move them up.
looks like a 5-yard.
Here we go, quarterback takes a snap, looks left, goes, takes off, throws the ball, he's got number 4, but incomplete. The Whitehead moved like I feel, tight back to the action. Shotgun for the Canes. Quarterback takes the snap, looks, steps up in the pocket, which collapses around him and doesn't get very far. Here we go, still second down. 2nd and 5.
It's like they got twins formation here for the Canes. Defense is being to stack the box.
Early movement. Flags before the play. It's 2nd and 10 down for the Canes. They keep backing up here following some penalties.
Oh,
Again.
Another massive penalty, multiple
Again, false start.
It's just sad to see how many penalties we're getting because we're undisciplined because we're tired.
Following another penalty for the Canes, they come out of the huddle. Quarterback in the shotgun. Takes the snap. Looks to the right. Over the middle. He's got a man. No. Incomplete. He hit him in the hands. Clock.
It wasn't stop?
Yeah. Canes come out of the huddle following the 15-yard penalty for pass interference. They'll get a first down. Canes are at their own 36. Quarterback takes the snap, rolls left, pressured by the defense, pulls on his helmet. Looked to grab him by the helmet. Where's the flag on that play?
Grabbed him by the dreads and the helmet.
But hey, you know, dreads are okay to grab. There's no rule against grabbing the dreads that I'm aware of. That's some NFL players had some hair ripped out. Stop it. I think. No. They didn't blow a whistle, so keep running.
Hey, call the play.
League,
in the
I
NFL.
say around 2013, that incident occurred.
Back to game action. 2nd and 15. Quarterback takes the snap. Looks. He looks long left. He's got a man. He's got a man. Oh, he hits him in the hand. Incomplete. Almost. Here we go. It's 3rd down for the Canes. Quarterback takes the snap. Looks left. Rolls left. He's got some room. He's going to take off. And he's drug out of bounds after a pickup. Stop the clock. Here come the Canes. Looks like it's 4th and about 3. Canes obviously going for it here. Good spot here would be to find a man on the run in open space. 3 wide receivers left. 1 right. Quarterback takes the snap. Low snap. Ball's covered up. And that's going to go the other way. Turnover on downs. Timeout called by the Canes.
Hey man, it's too much right here, bro. It's too much, bro.
These games feel like it's been dragging on from eternity due to any stoppages in the line.
It's been confusion all night for the officials.
It's gotta be. 1st down to the.
Here go the Chargers, following the turnover on downs. It'll be 1st and 10 from the Canes 39.
Okay, motion now, 2 receivers from both sides. Go for a bunch of two.
Quarterback takes the snap, looks long left, deep down the sideline.
And it's dropped.
Incomplete. 2nd down, Chargers.
Running the same play.
They got a shift. Receivers go wide, 2 left, 2 right. 1 man in the backfield. Quarterback takes the snap. Hand off the big man on the right side. He's got some room. Puts his head down and picks up some yards. So we got 3rd down and 8 for the Chargers. Receivers shift out wide. Quarterback takes the snap. He's looking long again. He's going back to it. He's going.
Goes out of bounds.
Incomplete. It's 4th and 8.
We have a little bit of a different look here.
4th and 8. Chargers. Let's see if the Canes can get a stop here. Quarterback drops back. He looks long. Looks end zone left side. Man open. Caught. And he's in the end zone. Touchdown. Following the touchdown, here go the Chargers on the 2-point conversion attempt.
Looks like they're going for an Eagles switch push here. First of its kind in the EFL. And it looks like, did they get it? And they got it.
They got it.
2-point conversion. Making the score now 36-0.
Here we go. We're in running clock mode right now. 3rd quarter, 9:26 and counting.
The Highland, or Dunderman, Highlands.
No, he showed it the way you can do it. We can do it
We
too.
are back on.
Oh, you mean Dunedin?
I don't know how to pronounce that.
The Highlanders, right?
Yeah, pretty much. And I believe they have a bunch of high-powered stars on their team, if I'm not mistaken. I've done my research. They've beaten the #1 team, former #1 team in the league, 31-20 to open up their season. And so far, they've won out, from what I know.
I believe they were supposed to be down in Pompano Beach today to face the Ravens, but the Ravens have been sent packing by the EAFL, so I think it's an off day today for the Highlanders.
Should be.
Here's the kickoff. Short kick, drops, loose ball, picked up by the Canes, number 0. He moves around, shifts around, he's got a hole, and he will, tough man to take down there. Here we go, following the kickoff. Canes will have 1st and 10 from their own, looks like 37-yard line. Quarterback takes the snap, drops back, pressure, and down.
Takes quiet.
Wow. No time to anything to develop.
He's really going for you.
Canes still got the football. Sticks show 1st down, but it's not a 1st down.
Looks like Taki is underneath center.
All right, we got a new quarterback in. Under center, look at this. A lot of guys been going shotgun the last several years, but here we got a quarterback under center. Handoff to the right side. He's got number 3 and picks up. That was a flashy play there. Quarterback coming right under center, handing it right off.
A great snap for them. It's a rare snap to see how good that was. We said this whole life. Consistency is key in this game, as well as discipline.
Here we go. The Canes have the football from their own 46. 2nd down, according to the sticks. Look at that. Quarterback takes a snap. Handoff again, number 7.
Looks like they pick up a 1st down.
Canes break the huddle. That was a 1st down. So 2 positive plays here for the Canes. Change that quarterback's adding some energy out there. Is that Taki at quarterback?
That is Taki Schultz at quarterback.
Quarterback under center.
Chargers fat in the box.
Oh, they're going.
Another great handoff to number 3, Eldon McKenzie. Big play.
Oh, that looks like Jerome Bettis rumbling out there for some positive yards.
8 yards on that play. You never really want to go home with nothing on the board. You always want to at least try to score something.
Well, let's see what the Canes do here. 1st down. Correction, it's 2nd and about 2.
Massive 8-yard gain.
Quarterback under center. Quarterback takes the snap, looks to hand off, but keeps it himself.
He picks up the 1st down, though.
Look at that.
Oh! Take a little shot.
Let's see where that spot is. It's close.
Looks like the Canes are picking up some energy here. But it looks like it's 3rd and short. The refs don't give him the 1st down.
Did not give a favorable spot to the Canes, so they come out 3rd down and very short, less than a yard.
Taki in the center again.
Looks like quarterback draw. Let's see what happens.
Quarterback sneaking.
Oh,
Gets
look
the
at
first
that
down
push.
a little bit more. And he's still going. And he's dropped down.
And that was a good push by the running back to push him forward to give him that momentum.
What a great 4-yard carry.
20 seconds and counting here, 3rd quarter. Let's see if they'll get another playoff before the end of this quarter. It doesn't look like it. 10 seconds, counting. Guys still stepping on the field. It's 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, 1. That's the end of the 3rd quarter.
4th quarter, the danger zone of all sports.
So we flipped end zones. We're in the 4th quarter. We are in running clock situation here due to the 36-0 lead by the Chargers. But the Canes are moving here on offense. Let's see what they do. Quarterback takes the snap. Toss left. Number 3.
Puka. Ooh, big hit on that corner. They called a fumble, but it looks to be that it was fumbled, and they're taking it back.
Great hustle by the Canes, but
Touchdown.
another tutty.
What they call field goal.
Here we go. They're gonna, following the touchdown,
Gonna attempt the extra point here.
we're lining up to go for two. We heard a call from the sideline to line up for the point after. So let's see what happens here. Kicker, ball down, kick is up.
And it's good. Making the score 43-0.
Hey, I look like Ludo Rose out
We got the 2 possessions back to back, starting out and leading the points for the Chargers.
there. Personnel still trying to adjust here for kickoff. Following the touchdown and extra point made by the Chargers. It's 43-0 Chargers. Kicker putting the ball down on the tee, getting set.
The kicker, you're right. You're right about that kicker. He does remind me of Lou.
He just goes straight on and toes the ball. Here we go. Oh, that's a good kick. Nice kick. Deep kick.
Number 7. Maybe we get something out of it. Canes this year.
But commend the Canes for their effort. I mean, they're still in there. They're still battling. Let's see if they can build on this possession. Got to just take it one possession at a time and try to build on each one.
I know it's just taxing mentally, but physically they're also tired. Not being able to have many subs out there does factor in this game. First down and 10, man.
The rest of those Canes got to come out and play for their team. They need you. Quarterback takes the snap, fakes the left, rolls right, throws the ball, floats it. Incomplete.
We need to keep it. I can't keep doing
Oh no.
this. This is aggravating because I'm trying to
You gotta get that tripod going. All right, here we go. It's
second and 10.
following the incomplete pass. Let's see if the Canes can start moving this football. Quarterback out of the shotgun, takes the snap. Oh, direct snap. What happened? Ball's down. What's the flag before the play? Offsides against the defense. That'll be 5 yards up.
So we've seen a lot of those penalties that it seems like discipline may be an issue up front for both teams.
Both teams, yes. 2nd and 5 Hurricanes. Following the defensive penalty. Quarterback in the shotgun. Snap. Rolls, looks left. Rolls right. He's trying to get some separation. And incomplete.
Just a lot of pressure.
A lot of pressure.
It looks like we got a new quarterback in. Number 17, Jaheim Burton back underneath. Never mind. DeMarcus is that quarterback. Direct snap. DeMarcus is low. He runs, he takes it outside, cuts it inside, and he's wrapped up by a host of defenders.
Ooh, hard hit there. I heard that all the way up here in the booth.
Big cracks, but again, this team is getting played by not only fatigue, but tiredness.
We do our best to stay family friendly with the language, but anytime in semi-pro, you may hear a few words now and then.
Looks like we got trips to the right here.
Shotgun quarterback,
Throw.
looking long, deep,
And it's almost picked off.
incomplete.
Complete pass there.
Three defenders back there on that play.
And it appears that they have a Chargers player down sulking, but he did not get the pick. Good players.
4 minutes and counting here. 4th quarter, running clock, 43-0. Chargers.
43.
We got a flag before the play.
I
don't think so. Running clock situation. It's going to be against the defense.
Chargers are out there. 1st and 10. Looks to be a twin set.
Quarterback out of the shotgun.
Run straight up
Kickoff.
the middle.
Big man up the
34.
middle.
And he's rumbling.
Pushing the pile.
Brought down eventually by 56. Theo.
Oh, look at that.
And it looks like a
It's gonna be
fumble.
Hurricane
Picked
came up
by
with the
Jose
football.
Walker.
But we got something going on. Blown dead.
But it looks like he was down.
Wow. Could have been a break for the Canes here to try
Very
to
big
build on
break.
that
It looked
momentum.
like he possibly could have taken it all the way back. Minus one defender. The play is down, but it appears to be a first down.
He was moving that pile the whole time. I mean,
It appears to be second down. My bad. I misspoke. Second down, and it appears to be about 4 yards at their massive 6-yard gain. Big man still in the back there.
quarterback shotgun, drops back. Took him long, right side, end zone. Oh, he caught the ball.
But it's down.
Incomplete. Incomplete.
Still a minute and
Wow, he made the catch, but they ruled it an incomplete.
Needing the discipline up front.
Here we go. Likely the last play of the ball game. 35 seconds, running clock situation. Chargers have the football.
Yeah, 23 is quarterback right now.
Quarterback takes the snap out of the shotgun.
Drops back.
Rolls right. Throws.
And
Incomplete.
It bounces right out of the receiver's hand. 16 seconds left in the game. And
Yes.
that appears to be your ball game, folks. 9 seconds left. And your final score, St. Pete Chargers, 43, Highlands County Hurricanes, nothing.
All the guys got, the rest of these Canes got to show up and show out. You know, when you leave your team light on the sideline, it just affects everything you do. So, what do you got? How many guys you got on your roster?
I think about over 20-something names should be on the roster for them, but only about 13 and 12 are actually committed and dedicated to playing ball on a weekly basis, which is something that the Canes have to work on. Numbers. I know the players are tired of playing 12 on 42 ball every game. So,
Got to get more commitment. The guys that are on the roster can
but
come
besides
out,
that, that's just straight art they just showed.
but give the Canes credit. They fought the whole game. They were outmanned, outgunned, but they kept fighting the whole way. So commend the Hurricanes for that.
All right, and that is your ball game. 43 of them. All right, then take your shit down. And go down there and shake hands.
Hi everybody, Steve Grossi here with the Highland Huddle. It's the final here in St. Pete. The Chargers win 43-0 over the Hurricanes. More of the same in the second half as the Chargers kept scoring points on offense. Nothing was stopping them tonight. But a lot of spark there here in the third quarter especially. With an injury to quarterback for the Canes, Taki came in and made some plays. Offense was moving the balls on multiple offensive possessions, but they could not get the ball in the end zone. Next week, the Hurricanes travel to Dunedin to face the Highlanders. Tune in next week with the Highlander Huddle. I'm Steve Carosi. Good night.